What's going on, guys?
We do need, I think, you're embracing crypto, very different from the previous administration. Strategic Petroleum Reserve like for crypto?
Yeah, I think so. We're going to do something great with crypto because we don't want China or anybody else, not just China, but others are embracing it, and we want to be the head. We're going to be ahead of AI. We're going to be way ahead of AI. And
as you guys can see, today we're gonna talk about some breaking news. We have plenty of them, and also I'm gonna be sharing with you some interesting charts. So yeah, without further ado, let's break them down. So today there was this news about Trump confirms Bitcoin reserve 15 trillion price boom predicted. As we can see, the Bitcoin reserve is not a matter of if, but when. Also, we have the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates on Wednesday. 96% likely that the Federal Reserve is going to cut by 25 basis points the interest rates. That's super bullish for crypto, super bullish. So we might see the famous Christmas rally happening. So going to the charts, Bitcoin. So right now we're sitting at around $102,000 for about a week and a half, when we broke for the first time the milestone of 100,000, going up all the way to 104. We almost touched 104 in some exchanges. And right now we're just consolidating, and I expect next week to be a really massive week with all the news of Trump really considering a Bitcoin strategic reserve that's really big for Bitcoin. And so my price targets for Bitcoin, I see Bitcoin going next week and all the way to after Christmas. We might consolidate, and my targets are $108,000 to $112,000 per Bitcoin as soon as next week, the next 2 weeks. And yeah, guys, this is it. So get ready. make sure that you're positioned well, and of course be careful, because there's gonna be so much volatility, so you don't get liquidated. So another coin that we're really bullish on is Chainlink. Those are the breaking news for Chainlink here. Chainlink joins Bank Inter, Microsoft, which is Bank of Brazil, and Microsoft and SEMCOM consortium to support trade finance use case in phase 2 of Drex pilot. So as we can see, Chainlink has been going up a lot. So from Monday's dip, we went up roughly. That's not the only breaking news. Then we have Swift, UBS Asset Management, and Chainlink complete pilot to bridge tokenized asset with existing payments. Chainlink integrates with Coinbase tokenized asset platform. And last but not least, we've been seeing Donald Trump buying hard Chainlink. So our price targets from Chainlink. So today Chainlink is sitting at around 18, almost roughly $19 billion market cap. I think that it could go well over that if we zoom out. Let's go on a weekly chart. Okay, so its all-time high, it's at $52. We expect for Chainlink to reach its all-time high in the next 2 weeks. So yeah, or by the latest Q1 of 2025. So we're aiming at least 60 to $80 per Chainlink by Q1 of 2025, even higher, but let's just be kind of realistic. So yeah, chart looks really great, and I think that he has a lot of room to go. Another coin that we've been really information, we are actually on a trade right now. It's Solana. So Solana, for the first time, Ethereum has been flipped by Solana as the top choice for new developers. Then we have the Crypto Caesar. Then Trump. So Trump's Crypto Caesar is a Solana bull that's really bullish for Solana. David Sachs, we all know that he is really invested into it, and he said multiple times that Solana is going to flip Ethereum, which that could be possible. And we have another breaking news is Grayscale files for a Solana ETF, and with Gary Gensler that is not going to be around anymore, we have a new chair of the SEC. This is most likely to get approved. And lately we've been seeing Ethereum inflows. They were pretty big, so that's actually a really good thing for Solana. And as we also can see, Solana is really undervalued. We made a post the other day. We made a post today. Another bullish news is Grayscale files for Solana ETF, and Gary Gensler is out of the SEC. He resigned. Technically, Trump would have fired him, and the next chairman of the SEC is a crypto bull, so is really likely to get approved. So it's super bullish, and we've seen here what happened with Ethereum in terms of the inflows. So that's really bullish long term on Solana. And here we say, as you can see, we made a tweet today, 100k Bitcoin and Solana to 217. Solana hit $210 in March, while Bitcoin was at 70k. So yeah, and Solana. So for us, Solana has a lot of room to go. It's extremely undervalued. So as we can see, if history repeats itself, and as we can see, if history repeats itself here, exactly 1 year ago we were at the price, wait, where are we? Here. So yeah, exactly 1 year ago we were sitting around $63, and he made a really rally throughout the week before Christmas, all the way to the 25th of December, which is Christmas. So we think that this year is not gonna be any different. We expect a rally on Solana. We're really bullish on Solana, and our price targets, as we tweeted already, are the first take profit is $290, $310, and then $330. We expect all the take profits to hit throughout the next 2 weeks. We're extremely bullish on Solana. It's extremely undervalued, and it hit a new all-time high 3 weeks ago, $264, and then it kind of dumped, and right now it's consolidating. It wasn't able to break to its $245, $250 level, and right now it's consolidating, but it's holding really well. As we can see, when it goes to the 200 level, 210, bulls always shows up and put the price higher. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Click the button below, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're bullish on Solana and in crypto in general.